And then I have some redness here just from popping a few pimps. You know when it's just staring at you and it's like, pop me, pop me. I can't help but be a picker. What's up, fam? Today I'm gonna share a really quick, easy way to incorporate a little pop of color into your everyday summer routine. I totally forgot to record an intro, so this is my quick little title card way of saying, let's do this. All right, fam, so the first thing I'm gonna do is just prep my skin real quick. You ain't gotta go crazy with the skincare products, but usually before I apply my makeup, I always like to have a really great primer or moisturizer. I'm going to be using Bobbi Brown's Vitamin Enriched Face Base. I just like to apply a generous amount. Since my skin tends to get a little bit more dry, more than oily, I like to definitely apply the product across those key areas of my face. Just to really lock in the product, I like to go over it again and just tap my finger over my skin, just to make sure my skin is really soaking up all of the vitamins in this product. There's shea butter, vitamins E and C. You guys, I'm gonna be using the Peach Corrector from Bobbi Brown. I'm actually going to apply this product with my fingertips, just to make sure that I am evening out the discoloration underneath my eyes. And then I have some redness here just from popping a few pimps. You know when it's just staring at you and it's like, pop me, pop me. I can't help but be a picker. This and this kind of go hand in hand, because once you've applied your face base, the texture of that product, it really sits nicely on your skin to get it ready for the product that you're gonna put on top of that. So I find that the two of these products kind of stick together like PB&J, like Stevie and Sazan, like Elmo and Big Bird. So this third and final product real quick I'm using from Bobbi Brown, which all three of these products I'm really excited to share with you. I've talked about them before. I've been teaming up with the brand and I'm excited to continue just sharing how I love using these products in my routine. Well, the last one I'm using is the foundation. I told you guys that I have a love-hate relationship with foundations that have SPF in it. However, this is probably one of the few that I can use. A lot of the times if the SPF is too high in the product, it causes my skin to just get irritated or break out. Somehow this formula has done it right. Bobbi Brown actually added 11 new colors into the range. So now there's 42 colors in this foundation, which I think is great. I've found myself in the past like having to mix certain foundations. This shade is medium beige, and I actually feel like it is exactly what I've been looking for. So I've literally just added a little bit to my hand, and I'm just using my beauty blender to kind of blend it in and just make it look really light and effortless. And I love that you can build it up or you can wear it really light. I bring it down to my neck. Especially during the summertime, I'm not trying to wear anything too cakey, anything too heavy. So this has definitely been a go-to for me all summer long and probably into the fall, we'll see. So the next thing I'm gonna do is just add some concealer underneath my eyes. For this tutorial today, I'm gonna be using the NARS Custard Radiant Creamy Concealer. I also like to just use this to even highlight while I'm at it. So I'm just gonna set this all in place with a very light fan brush. And then I'm gonna be using my Mercier Secret Brightening Powder, just because I haven't found anything better. I'm just being real. This has been my go-to powder since I moved to Los Angeles, literally like 6-7 years ago. I'm using a fan brush also for my rest of my face to just ensure that the product isn't going to sit too heavily on my skin, and instead it's going to look more even and just light, so that my skin as the day goes on can just naturally illuminate. So I know right now I look kind of pale, and that's okay, because I kind of like doing that first, because then I can really amp up the glow. I'm just using this translucent powder from Maybelline. Drugstore, what up? It's their Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder, and I like it because it has a really light kind of bronzy color in it, and I just like applying that to the rest of my face to just give my skin an all over even glow. Now, because it's summer and I want to look tan and I want to look cute, I'm gonna go in with a bigger round brush and my HULA bronzer. It's a matte bronzer from Benefit Cosmetics. I just apply it to my cheeks, my forehead, and under my chin to just give myself an unperfect contour look. And this brush, honestly, right now, is about to put me to sleep. It feels so good. Something else that I'm gonna do is go back using the Vitamin Enriched Face Base, and I'm just gonna dip my little brow brush in there. I'm gonna use the palm of my hand to just blend it into the product, and I'm gonna use it to just brush my brows and give them a little bit of moisture. It's almost like my own makeshift little brow gel that I'm working with here. The face base is pretty rich, so I feel like it can even double up as a little brow gel for me. And all I like to do is just brush my brows up and again, make them look undone and unperfect. I'm gonna be using this little illuminator I got from Artist Couture. It's in the shade YAASSS. And it just literally glides onto the skin so evenly and so perfectly. So I'm just amping up the glow in certain areas. What a difference, right? For my eyes, I'm actually going to keep it so simple because like I said, I don't wanna make this a complicated video for you guys. I'm gonna just go back in with the HULA and I'm just gonna use that to accentuate the crease a little bit and kind of define my eye shape. And then with that same illuminating powder, I'm just going to brush it across my lids too because I love it so much. And because I'm doing the most with my lips today, I'm gonna keep the eyes very simple. I'm going to add my mascara. I'm just using my BUXOM Voluminous mascara. This is one of my favorite lash mascaras. And now for the funnest part and the last part, so easy, the lips. I'm going for a very bright orange today. I have been looking for the perfect orange all summer long. So I narrowed it down to 2 perfect orange shades that I'm actually gonna mix together. So I'm gonna start out by lining my lips just very lightly using this Mercier pencil. This is in the shade Saffron. So I'm actually gonna start out with this pretty orangey shade. It's called Coral Vif. It's from Mercier. It's such a pretty orange, literally matches my nail polish color. And then with my Glossier Play, it's like a lip lacquer. I'm gonna use this to just gloss over the lipstick. And this is in the shade Casino. This is definitely more orange than the lipstick, so that's why I kind of wanted to start out with the Mercier lipstick as the base. I'm gonna go back over with my Illuminator and I'm just going to brighten up some more of those areas now that the look is done. All right, here's the aftermath of this look. Check it out, a little extra pop of color. Wow, what a difference it can make, right? I feel inspired to wear more color in my everyday routine, especially since we're in summer, and I hope you do too. Let me know if you enjoyed watching this video by giving me a good old thumbs up, comment below, and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, mwah, mwah. Bye guys.